Moving on, Navjot Singh Sidhu is all set to take charge as the new Punjab Congress chief today, but Chief Minister Amrinder Singh appears far from pleased. Reports are that Sidhu could be meeting with Chief Minister Amrinder Singh today. This will be the first time the two will be meeting after their ugly public war broke out. 4 working presidents, Kuljit Nagra, Pawan Goel, Sukhwinder Singh Dani and Sangat Singh Gilzian have now been appointed along with Sidhu, and none are believed to be captain's recommendations. In what is being seen as a slight, Captain Amrinder Singh has invited all Congress MLAs and MPs for lunch on the 21st of July, but not called the new PCC chief. Sidhu on his part has expressed his gratitude to the Gandhis for bestowing their faith in him, giving him the key responsibility. In fact, the big decision here by the party high command has potential to increase fractionalism within the party, coming only 6 months ahead of polls. Where Sidhu was announced as the new PCC chief late last night, and right after it appears that Sidhu went to the temple there, the Gurdwara, took blessings and met with all his supporters who were rejoicing, waiting for announcement for quite a while now. And finally it's come through. Sidhu has his way while Amrinder gets the sore end of the deal. Amrinder Singh, meanwhile, has scheduled a lunch meet on the 21st of July of all Congress Party MLAs, but has not called Sidhu or not invited him for the lunch. In fact, we know that Amrinder Singh has been quite angry, upset. He's even mentioned to senior leaders, unless Sidhu apologizes, rather a public apology, he will not call for truce. And here we see that even before situation has amended between the two, the Congress has already declared Sidhu as the new PCC chief, raising concerns within the Congress itself about further fractionalism, which is already deep-rooted within the Congress party in Punjab. It appears that they may just create further rift within the party camps in Punjab. In fact, Punjab Chief Minister does not invite Navjot Singh Sidhu for lunch. He scheduled a lunch meeting on the 21st of July where he's called in all Congress MLAs, but Navjot Singh Sidhu has been left out. This was expected considering Sidhu has not so far apologized for all the public spat. In fact, time and again, Navjot Singh Sidhu has put out tweets indirectly targeting Captain Amrinder Singh. Captain has been disappointed with the kind of backlash. In fact, time and again has warned him against putting out messages on social media platforms or speaking in public against him. Now, despite all that animosity between the two leaders, we're looking at Sidhu being elevated to the post of PCC chief, leaving Amrinder Singh still angry. Manjeet Sehgal for more details on that. Manjeet, Navjot Singh Sidhu has been very strategically left out. No surprises. He's not been invited for the lunch meet of all the Congress MLAs that Captain Amrinder Singh has called in. What more do we know? Has Captain reacted to his elevation?
Well, Navila, as far as Captain Amrinder Singh's reaction is concerned, he has not spoken anything about this, but some of his supporters have welcomed Navjot Singh Sidhu's elevation as Punjab Congress Committee Chief. And as far as Navjot Singh Sidhu is concerned, his outreach is already on. He's meeting a number of leaders. Today he also met various leaders, 2 disgruntled cabinet ministers, besides the former Punjab Congress Committee Chief Sunil Jakhar.
All right, hold on. I'm going to cut across to Sudhir Jakhar reacting.
मैं समझता हूँ कांग्रेस पार्टी के हर एक वर्कर की, हर एक लीडर की ये जिम्मेवारी बन जाती है, धर्म बन जाता है कि वो उस विश्वास को और मजबूत करे, लोगों के विश्वास को। 2022 में भी ऐसा रहेगा? बिल्कुल रहेगा साहब। 2022 में भी पार लगा पाएंगे? आपको लगता है कि लगा नहीं पाएंगे? लगाएंगे साहब, सारे इकट्ठे मिलकर। आप ये क्यों कह रहे हैं? बिल्कुल देखिए, कैप्टन, उन्होंने स्वागत भी नहीं किया। कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह जी का जितना बड़ा रुतबा है, उससे भी बड़ा उनका दिल है। तो मुझे इसमें कहीं भी किसी किस्म की किंतु परंतु साहब, अगर हर एक चीज का एक समय होता है साहब। अभी आज सुबह तो इनका अनाउंसमेंट आई है, तो लेट्स वेट एंड सी सारा। सीएम साहब दी कोल जाओगे मिलन हुन नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू जाएंगे या तुसी जाओ? अंदर चल हो चल जवाब
All right, we're going to cut across to Manjeet. Manjeet, you have it. MLAs there, very firm. All is well in the Congress party. In fact, he said many of them claim there's absolutely no animosity among the leaders.
ਕੱਲ ਵੀ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਉੱਥੇ ਬੈਠਾ ਸੀ ਜੋ ਸੁਨੀਲ ਜਾਖੜ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਲਈ ਬਿਹਤਰ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਸੁਨੀਲ ਜਾਖੜ ਨੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਕੀਤਾ
ਸਰ
2022 ਜਿੱਤ ਕੇ ਆਵਾਂਗੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਵਾਅਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਫਿਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਠੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ
ਨਵਜੋਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਦੀ ਅਗਵਾਈ
You have it one after the other. Leaders now coming out to say all is well, that they're happy with the elevation of Sidhu. In fact, some of them say none of them are unhappy. This is just rumors that's being floated only to dent the Congress's prospects in Punjab. But nonetheless, it's quite evident there are fractions now already divided between the two sides, Sidhu and Captain. Manjeet, for more on that. Manjeet, you were saying Sidhu has been left out for this very grand lunch meet on the 21st of July. Doesn't seem like Captain Amrinder Singh wants to reconcile before a formal apology from Sidhu.
Well, Nabila, Captain Amrinder Singh has invited all the MLAs and Member of Parliaments, besides ministers, for a lunch. It's still not known whether Navjot Singh Sidhu has been given an invitation or not, but the sources telling so far Captain Amrinder Singh has not personally invited Navjot Singh Sidhu. And as far as Sidhu's outreach is concerned, he was with some of the disgruntled ministers here. We heard former Punjab Congress Committee Chief Sunil Jakhar saying that Captain Amrinder Singh has a big heart, and Navjot Singh Sidhu tweeted in the morning saying that he's humble congressman. So let us see whether Navjot Singh Sidhu goes to meet Captain Amrinder Singh. Sources telling a group of ministers, MLAs can accompany Navjot Singh Sidhu to Captain Amrinder's official residence located in Chandigarh. Captain came to his official residence a short while ago. So what remains to be seen whether Navjot Singh Sidhu and his supporters go to meet Captain Amrinder Singh. Amrinder Singh agrees to meet Navjot Singh Sidhu because he had asked him to tender an apology for his tweets which were derogatory or against his government, that has sent a wrong message to the supporters and the people in general in Punjab. So let us see whether Navjot Singh Sidhu now goes to meet Captain Amrinder Singh or not. So far, no word from Captain Amrinder Singh about him meeting Navjot Singh Sidhu. He had clearly told Harish Rawat that he will not be meeting Navjot Singh Sidhu till he tenders an apology. Nabila.
All right, Manjeet, thank you very much. Let's see how this pans out. India Today continues tracking